I want to mention here that All India Trinamool Congress is not against the Women's Reservation Bill. We never have been and never will be. But we are against weaponizing women's reservation as electoral ammunition. Instead, 33% women's reservation. Our demand is 50% women reservation, sir. The women reservation is not in question. What is in question is what this government is doing in its name. 3 sweeping legislative instruments that have nothing to do with women's reservation and everything to do with redrawing the electoral map of India to serve BJP arithmetic before 2029. Sir, BJP is फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर एंड डेमोक्रेसी को धजिया उड़ा देना चाहते हैं सर थ्रू दिस बिल. सर, दिस इज नॉट women reservation. This is electoral engineering dressed in the language of Nari Shakti. Sir, 5 southern states together gained barely 63 additional states, while BJP dominated northern states gained nearly 130, more than double. Sir, this is the hidden story of this bill. Sir, I would like to remind all the members of this House, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji took part in this discussion on Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam Bill 2023. What he said in this House, sir, quote, कुछ पार्टी के लिए महिला सशक्तिकरण एक पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा हो सकती है, कुछ पार्टियों के लिए महिला सशक्तिकरण एक राजनीतिक मुद्दा हो सकती है, कुछ पार्टियों के लिए महिला सशक्तिकरण का नारा चुनाव जीतने का हथियार हो सकता है, लेकिन मेरे पार्टी और मेरे नेता नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए महिला सशक्तिकरण राजनीतिक मुद्दा नहीं है, ये मान्यता देने का सवाल है. सर, मैं इस सदन के माध्यम से ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, जो वेस्ट बंगाल और तमिलनाडु और कई राज्यों में हारने का डर ही नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए, अमित शाह जी के लिए और इस बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट के लिए आज इस सदन में इस महिला रिजर्वेशन बिल लाने के लिए उनको मजबूर कर दिया है. Sir, TMC has 28 members in this house from West Bengal. Among them, 3 are SC women MP, 2 are SC men MP and 1 ST MP. Sir, Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam itself provides for reservation within reservation. 1/3 of SC/ST seats also reserved for women from those communities. Any delimitation on outdated data directly determines where SC and ST constituencies are drawn and how many there are. By proceedings without the caste census, this government is not serving SC/ST women. It is denying them the accurate demographic foundation their constitutional enlightenment depend upon. Sir, you, the BJP, are taking us back to the communal delimitation that we know as partition. As a Bengal, I know up close what partition and communal delimitation means. My people still bear this curse. Sir, Assam has been a laboratory of communal delimitation. And who will sit in the delimitation commission? The election commissioner or the exclusion commissioner, who has most recently excluded almost 1.3 crore Bengali and come up suspect categories like logical discrepancies. Sir, Home Minister Amit Shah, आपने तो इंडिया का जिन्ना निकला सर. And here I must speak directly to the Home Minister Amit Shah ji. You have built your political career invoking the trauma of partition. History will record that the man who most loudly mourned partition was the man who most quietly replicated its logic, separating people from their political voice, community by community, constituency by constituency. सदन के माध्यम से मैं ये सारा देश को बोलना चाहती हूँ सर, विमेन रिजर्वेशन बिल इस भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए और अमित शाह जी के लिए महिला सशक्तिकरण का नारा इनके चुनाव जीतने का हथियार है और ये महिला सशक्तिकरण इनके लिए एक राजनीतिक मुद्दा है, एक पॉलिटिकल मुद्दा है.